Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense of 5th and 6th September together. The video will be little long. So let's start. Number 1, PAC 3 MSE and Third Systems. William Blair, Vice President and Chief Executive for Southeast Asia and India at Lockheed Martin, has articulated the company's strategic vision for addressing India's complex air and missile defense needs. In a recent statement, Blair emphasized Lockheed Martin's commitment to providing a comprehensive defense solution that integrates advanced systems like the PAC-3 MSE and THAAD to enhance India's defense capabilities. Next, ship launched Nirbhay trials. DRDO is set to commence developmental trials of the ship-launched anti-ship subsonic cruise missile version of Nirbhay within the next 12 to 18 months. The research and development for this missile have been completed and the fabrication process is currently underway. The ship-based subsonic cruise missiles will be available in two variants: land attack cruise missile, that is LACM, and anti-ship cruise missile, that is ASCM. Next, development of Shastra long-range radar with DRDO technology. BEL, a premier Indian defense electronic company, has announced in its annual report that it is developing the long-range radar known as Shastra. The radar, originally developed by the DRDO, is designed for extended range search and track capabilities with a range exceeding 2,000 kilometers. Shastra is also capable of detecting the low radar cross-section aircraft and platform, making it critical assets for India's defense infrastructure. Next, Zorawar light tank set for user trials. Dr. Samir V. Kaman, Secretary of the Department of DRDO and DDR&D and Chairman of DRDO, has announced that the Zorawar light tank is on track for Army user travel by the end of the year. The tank, which has successfully completed internal trials, is now poised to undergo rigorous testing in the challenging high-altitude conditions near the line of actual control during the upcoming winter months. The Zorawar light tank is a crucial component of India's efforts to enhance its military capabilities in high-altitude regions. Next, enhanced mine blast resistant FICVs. The Ordnance Development Cell Ordnance Factory Medak is at the forefront of developing futuristic infantry combat vehicle with significantly enhanced mine blast resistant. In collaboration with the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research Advancement Materials Research Institute, and it has incorporated innovative materials to bolster the vehicle's survivability. Next, ambitious vision for space dominance. India has unveiled a bold and ambitious 25-year vision plan for its space sector, aiming to elevate the country's global standing in space exploration. The plan outlines several ambitious goals, including a significant expansion of the space economy, the establishment of a human space station, and a manned mission to the moon. Next, a pact has been inked between India and South Africa on submarine rescue operations. In a significant milestone to develop bilateral naval cooperation, the Indian Navy and the South African Navy have signed an implementing agreement that ensures the safety of the South African Navy submarine crew in times of distress or accident. This agreement was signed by Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, Chief of the Naval Staff, of the Indian Navy, and Vice Admiral Monde Lobese, Chief of the South African Navy. Next, developed aircraft simulator of Air Force cadets. The Software Development Institute of Indian Air Force in Bangalore has designed, developed and deployed a Super Dimona aircraft simulator for the National Defense Academy. The Air Force training team at NDA will use it to familiarize the cadets with basic flying aspects along with necessary knowledge of the flying environment. The simulator has state-of-the-art 135-degree field of view, immersive display to enhance the visual experience of the trainee cadets. Thank you.